The code 95 in your Chevy Spark means that the airbag system is confused with something or is not working properly. This code may actually mean that the SRS system experiences problems like a disconnected seat sensor, a broken seatbelt buckle, or issues with the airbag connector, but in most cases the code is triggered by the low 12-volt battery that upsets the SRS system. Also, after you replace the battery, you may see this code, since the SRS module was completely disconnected and now needs some time to be reset. So what can you do? If this happens after battery replacement, just turn on the ignition without starting the engine and wait till all the warning lights disappear so the system is launched. Then turn off the ignition and let the car sit for 5-7 minutes. After that you may start the car and drive. The code should not appear anymore. If the code shows up just randomly, you will need to check the battery for health with a load tester, and if it reads weak, just replace it with a new one. If the battery is good, you will need to check the SRS system for a disconnected sensor or issues in the wiring harness, which is not that easy and may require professional help. According to service records, the most vulnerable points are the yellow connectors under the front seats and also the front impact sensor located under the hood ledge. You may want to disconnect them and check the connectors for corrosion. Also, if you want to take off the impact sensor, it's often mounted with a reverse threaded bolt, so you will need to unscrew it clockwise.